Hey, second grade, happy Tuesday and welcome back to writing time. We are going to go ahead and move into yesterday. We talked about nouns, and today let's go ahead and look and see what our new topic will be. Our new topic is going to be for our part of speech is plural nouns. So plural means more than one. So it means more than one noun. So how do we change a word when we have more than one of our person, place, or thing? So let's go ahead and take a look. Today, you're going to need your iReady writing book and a pencil, okay? You're going to need your iReady writing book and a pencil. Let's go ahead and get started with our objectives. Our objectives are I can define singular nouns and plural nouns, and I can identify singular nouns and plural nouns. So we're defining them and identifying singular and plural nouns, all right? So let's go ahead and take a look. Today, we're going to be on page number 202, on page number 202. So 200s, 2 ones, all right? So let's take a look. If you need a minute to get there, go ahead and push pause. On the page here it says, Lesson 2, plural nouns. Introduction. A singular noun is a noun that names one person, place, or thing. A plural noun names more than one person, place, or thing. Okay, so singular is one, plural is more than one. You can form the plural of most nouns by adding s or es. So a singular noun would be bird, glass, brush, or fox. So in order to change bird into a plural noun, it'd be birds, birds, and add an s. But I notice here for glass, it ends in an S. So we can't just add another S. We have to add an ES. So glass goes to glasses, glasses. Brush, words that end in the SH, because it already has that S sound, it's going to get an ES. So you'll get brush is, brush is. Very similar for fox to make it plural, because it ends in that X and it has the S to it a little bit. It'd be foxes. Does it make sense to say foxes? Because we already have that there. We want to make sure we add the ES, all right? So let's go ahead and take a look. And some plurals change in special ways or do not change at all. You just have to remember them. So here's some weird special ones. So child goes to children. A child is now children. This one's so weird too. Foot becomes feet. I have 1 foot or I have 2 feet. A mouse, a mouse. If you have more than one mouse, they become mice. They are mice. And a singular goose or more than one, we have geese, geese. And lastly, man becomes men. Man becomes men. All right, and let's look down here. Ones that don't change, which is interesting. A deer, or you have multiple deer. Fish, or multiple fish. The fish, or a fish. Moose, a moose, or all the moose. A sheep, or all the sheep. Okay, so there's some weird ones that we just have to just know. All right. So we're going to look at this a little bit closer as we continue in our practice. So let's take a look. Write the plural of the nouns to complete each sentence. Hint, if a noun ends with TCH, add ES to make it plural. Example, ditch plus ES equals ditches. All right. So let's go ahead and look at number 1. I see 2 blank walk in the woods. 2 child. Well, I look up here and that's one of those special ones. So let's go ahead and we know 2 children walk in the woods. Let's go ahead and write that in. 2 children. Mine might not line up perfectly, so try your best and use your resources up top. Oh, look, it worked. Okay. 2 children walk in the woods. All right. They hop over some blank of mud. I see it ends in TCH here. So because I see TCH, I know my hint says I need to add ES because it kind of has an S sound. You can't just add an S. So they hop over some patches of mud. Add that ES, patches. They hop over some patches of mud. Number 3, Do you see those tracks in the dirt? Tracks. Track. So track doesn't add anything that sounds similar to an S to make it plural. I just add the S. Tracks. Do you see those tracks in the dirt? Lastly, this animal has 4 foot. That doesn't make sense. 4 feet. Because we know that foot goes to feet when it is plural, okay? So please make sure you're using your knowledge of how to change to plural, singular to plural, and also using your resources of changing in special ways and ones that do not change to help you as we move on. So if you need more time, pause. I'm going to clear out this page. Let's go ahead and take a look at page 203. All right, 203. Choose the correct plural of the noun to complete each sentence. The pond is full of many fish, fishes, fish. Pause if you need more time. Number 2, 6 blank swim in the water. Gooses, geese, goose. Think about which one. Go back and look up in page 202 to see what makes the most sense, because sometimes we need to make sure we check our resources. Number 3, 3 blank live near the pond. 3 mouses, or mice. 3 blank live near the pond. All right. Number 4, it says to read the sentence, circle the plural noun that is spelled incorrectly, then write the word correctly. 3 childs saw 5 moose through the trees and bushes. I know what sounds definitely wrong there. So please circle the word that sounds incorrect and fix it. So 3 childs saw 5 moose through the trees and bushes. All right. So your job today is to please make sure that you complete page 203 and upload a picture of it to Schoology so that we can see your work and your understanding of plural nouns. Okay. So complete page 203 and submit it there. All righty. So happy Tuesday, and I will see y'all back tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day.